Hello, in this video, we will learn how to easily lock your personal profile on Facebook. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the Facebook application. Then tap on the 3 horizontal dots. Next, click on the gear icon. You will see the privacy settings interface. Scroll down and press the option for locking the personal profile. Here, it tells you that when you activate this option, only your friends can see your photos and stories. Only your friends can view your full-sized profile picture and cover photo. People can find your account through search, message you, or send you friend requests. Therefore, if you want to lock your personal profile, click on Lock Profile. As you can see here, the account has been successfully locked. Finally, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe now and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. See you in another video.